You are provided with a grid that sometimes can help you in your design work. If you right click with nothing selected and go to drafting aids, the first tab is the grid tab. What I've done here is to set up a 300mm grid. Let's imagine I was doing some paving, and I've set a bold step of 10, which means every 10 times 300, namely 3000mm or 3 meters, I'll have a bold indicator, and I've ticked the show grid. So if we return to the drawing, can you see from there down to there, that's a 3 meter, they're the bold indicators, that's a 3 meter, but the smaller little grid steps are 300mm at a time. So if we turn snap on, and you can double click on snap down there and say draw a line, can you see I can easily snap to those major and minor grid points? No, I can't. It's slightly missed, didn't it? You can still go outside it if you're in a hurry like I am. So let me take off snap, double click there, takes it off. I can select that one and select this one. Now I'll be a little more careful as I'm drawing. I'll put snap back on, L for line, carefully click there and go up to that point there, and we should snap to there, and snap down here. What's tricking me at the moment is I've still got my polar tracking on. If I take tracking off, double click it there, you can see now I can go very, very easily here. So my polar tracking, while it's a great aid without the grid, the two shouldn't be used together. I can of course wrap a box around these and right click and erase them. So let's return to our actual design here. So you can see that I can lay things out on that 3 meter grid quite handily, with a 300mm step, I might add.